What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another YouTube video. My name is Mike, full-time Amazon media seller. So I sell books, CDs, DVDs, cassettes, no vinyl records over on Amazon and nowhere else in the universe. Today, thrift store, me, you. This is a brand new thrift store, brand new. So I've brought you guys here many times, months and months ago. If you look on the channel, it used to be the real small one, Mountjoy Gift and Thrift. They actually make so much damn money that they built this brand new state-of-the-art from the ground up thrift store and moved out of that old small tiny one. I've been here twice. The first time was absolutely dreadful. The second time was a little bit better. This is the third time, so this is the deciding factor whether or not this store sucks. No, not really, because I'm still gonna come here, right? But it is kind of interesting to see, and they actually just built a new Goodwill. These thrift stores are making so much money. They're building these new stores, and here we are struggling to make $1 and get $100 in our bank account. You know, it's tough out there for us solo resellers. I mean, not really. I don't work that hard for the money I make. Speaking of, if you want to make money selling on Amazon or even eBay, because I got a guy for that as well, join the YouTube channel. $2.99 a month, weekly live calls, private Discord. Basically, you know, I'll get you on your way to being a retired billionaire in no time. We're gonna get in here. You guys will see my Scoutly screen. It's right by a big ass highway, so trucks drive by. They ruin the videos every single time. It don't matter. We're gonna scan everything with our little R2D2 Bluetooth scanner. I'll show you guys inside of this place. The previous two times I was here, like I said, the first time I maybe got like 2 items. The second time I got close to a bag full. So I'll show you guys, I'll show you every single damn thing we get out of here. They don't usually have a lot of disc media, and the new book section is a disaster. Oh my God. Why do I do this to myself? It's because it's easy money, Mike. You just go scan things and you get paid. You put them in a box and you send them away. Let's go. We are back home from the thrift store, and I'm going to cover everything I picked up there. You seen we got lucky. It was 50% off all books. I showed you guys, Deb, you get a kick out of this. They had one of those silent auctions, and they had Pokemon cards, and the current bid was up to like 450 bucks. It was like a bunch of vintage ones, so yeah, I'm not bidding on that. I would have bid like $3. I don't know nothing about Pokemon. I just know people get crazy for it. So I'm gonna show you guys everything that we got. You can yell at me and say you wouldn't have picked it up or you would have picked it up, but honestly, you know, I appreciate the comments, the likes, the members, the subscribers, the everythingers, but I'll give you a little bit of insight on why I bought some of these. I'm sure some of you be like, dude, I'd never buy that. What are you thinking? Well, listen, I'm a middle-aged, balding man that does whatever the hell I want. So, first up, the very best of Diana Krall. I've actually sold a lot of her CDs. For some reason, it's all around me. I don't know. I never even heard of her. I don't know if I ever heard any of her actual music. We paid $1 for this. $10.50 after fees. Easy peasy. Throw out the cardboard sleeve squeezy. I always throw out these sleeves. The customers want them. It's the same with the new DVDs. I throw them all out. You're gonna get negative reviews. I got 100%. I've been selling on Amazon for 50 years. All right, next up, we got a little bit of Blu-ray action. We paid $2 for this one. $11.40, but this is a lie, right? Used buy box is only $19.70. The new buy box is $19.99. No one's gonna buy your used copy to save 29 cents, loser. So this will probably be closer to like 10 bucks profit. Jack and the Cuckoo Clock Heart. I've never ever heard of this. Yeah, no idea. Ooh, we got a new one. Neil T. Anderson's The Bondage Breaker DVD Experience. I think this was half off because blue was half off. I don't remember. It was like the beginning of the week. It's the end of the week. This isn't even showing up as found, which is unfortunate. So I must have cover scanned this one. You just have to take my word. Oh wait, I lied. Now it pops up. So this doesn't sell often, but you see there's really not that many people selling it. Sells about once a month. I would argue this will sell probably the first month it gets there. We will be the only new person on the listing. I'll probably price this at $29.99, see what happens. If anything will sell for 20 bucks, you're probably looking at between $10 and $18 profit. The NIV Audio Bible, complete MP3. We paid up for this $3. It's like one can of cat food. All right, another prime example of people who have no idea what they are doing. This is an audio book, so it's ranked in the book category. 2.9 is not terrible. The reason the sales score sucks is because these people are trying to get $78 out of this, when in actuality it last sold for $13.60. You see that's highlighted. So this will probably be like $29.99. I'll price it down there. Hopefully we'll trigger the buy box. You see there's no buy box now on this listing, and then we'll probably make like another $10 to $18 on that one. Alaska. I've sold this one multiple times. I am going to hold out here. There's one person at $10.32 acceptable. We'll go $17.99. You make like 10 bucks after fees. We paid $2. You make $8. It sells a little bit less than once a week. Sponge a Bubble. I should have worn my Patrick shirt for this video, but I blew it. $10.90 profit. We spent $1. This actually had the old school movie gallery sticker on it. The last DVD we got is a brand new sealed Warner Brothers from Walmart. Dumpin'. I don't see the date on this one. The King and I, animated. So we got somebody selling it for $14.32. Absolutely no idea what they are doing. We're gonna price this up closer to the $29.99. You make right around $20 profit. We spent $2 whole on that. Now we got the books. I think the hardbacks were like $2.50 half off, so like $1.25, and then the paperbacks I think were like 75 cents a piece. I don't know. This is a fast mover, $4.70. This will sell before it even gets checked in. Dopamine. That's me opening Amazon Seller Central 1,000 times and Deb yelling at me, get off the damn phone. All you do is refresh that thing. It doesn't matter. And she's right, I'm wrong. This one's down at $12.80. I can argue you get closer to $14.45. You make $5.16. My focus on the books are fast moving sellers. I don't want storage fees. I don't want removal fees in the book category. Nobody can afford them. Nobody. Not you, not me, not anybody. Some of you probably would leave this behind, but you know, I show everything I get, and I explain myself in the court of law. No used FBA. The new buy box is $47.03. So my argument is, since there's nobody else in the game, we can at least price this at $19.99. Now this book at $19.99, we're not going to be able to see it because there's really nothing close, but we'll probably make about $7 or $8 after our buy costs on this. I like being the only FBA offer, even though you think some of these are not worth it. Everybody can run their business as they see fit. Here goes a weird one too, right? We got $15.19 on the used buy box. Then it jumps all the way up. This should sell for $19.99. I'm not pricing this down at $15.19. We make around $8, $9. Reasons to vote for Democrats, a comprehensive guide. So everybody can be pissed off in the comment sections because, oh man, look, it's a political book. I should make this a thumbnail. And everybody be like, dude, what are you doing? Super fast mover, $5. Spend 75 cents. Feminine Appeal, 7 Virtues of a Godly Wife and Mother. This will be closer to $10 profit, 75 cents. This is me and the reseller gang rolling up to the thrift stores. There's 4 of us on one motorbike, right? We got no bags, no nothing. We're just gonna carry everything. No used FBA yet again, so we'll probably try to get 20 bucks, maybe 25 out of this. Not too bad, you make around 10 bucks. The big book of the day, Study Bible, Encounter the Word. I'm out in religious country here in central Pennsylvania, so I get a lot of study Bibles, the Lifeway ones, the study guides. I love selling these things. Something like this though, right? Like 12.10. This book probably weighs like 4 or 5 pounds. So like if this doesn't sell and I have to get this removed, this is gonna cost like $8. So like if you got an inventory full of this stuff, you're just asking for trouble to come around. So for me, 7.27, I make 12, I spend 75 cents, I'm fine with that, but it worries me. I ain't gonna lie, it worries me. Let's get this back to the actual scan mode. No used FBA here. New buy box is 44. You definitely can at least sell this for 20 bucks. Be the only offer. We got somebody at $8.99. Don't know what they're doing. You price this up to $13.90. You make $6.19. That sells more than once a week. And David perceived he was king. $4.98. You see this will sell right away. So you guys realize that the trends here are the only slow movers we're sending are only FBA. We're going to be the only FBA offers. And then basically everything else is going to be super fast moving. This has got some paperwork in it, because this is one of those Lifeway study guides I was telling you about. $6.88 profit. Shadow boxing. The dynamic 2-5-14 strategy to defeat the darkness within. I have no idea what they're talking about. We'll price this up a little bit. We're not going to be at $10.50. You never want to be between $10 and $11. We'll probably be closer to $12. We'll make about $4 or $5 on that. One of those ones you know is probably going to be profitable. It's got the ISBN on the back. It's super hard to scan. Let's see if I can get it to work. 18.20 profit, pretty big Bible. Yet again, if you got to get this removed, you're looking at like 10 bucks. The 7 Spirits of God, $10.40. As you can see, this is a religious thrift store. Basically everything we've gotten so far, $10.30, has been religious. No used FBA, slow mover. This one's got the good old Ollie sticker on it, so it doesn't want to scan. Let's see if it'll pick up the ISBN. There we go. The Parable of Joy, $6.86. Warren Buffett, $6.68. Sacred Rhythms. So you see, the used buy box is going to the merchant. I think it's because the FBA is above 20. I think if we go $19.99 with this, we will get the buy box FBA. We'll make around like 10 bucks. Spirit of God. 511, super fast mover. Unshackled. This has got somebody's tulip paper they use to keep where they're at in the book, so that's phenomenal. A little bit of writing, but we don't care about writing. I don't even look in these things. Just sell stuff. $8.99, we're definitely not going down there. We're going to be closer to the $13.74, probably around $11.99. We'll make like $4. Jesus the Teacher. No FBA. A Bible handbook to the Acts of the Apostles. $11.20. Inner Healing and Deliverance. We've got 2 more books after this, I think. No, 3. $10 even. Jezebel versus Elijah. $8.13. 2 more. We're almost there. The Fire of His Holiness. $5.54. Last but not least, I'm not keeping track of profit, and I don't care as long as I know I'm making money. You guys will figure it out for me, do all the maths. $4.97. That is all he, she, they wrote. Not a bad pickup, you know, from one store. You never know what you're going to get. If I can get this consistently from all of the stores, then I will basically be retired by the time I'm 21 years old. So that's going to do it for the video. I appreciate you watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more used book, CD, DVD, new DVD videos. Bye-bye.